Hello and welcome. Join me in creating these very loose, very easy two-colour watercolour flowers. Really easy flowers with two colours. I'm going to use, this is Carmine, and I'm using Moon Glow by Daniel Smith. I'm going to dip it in the Carmine, and I'm going to just blob a little bit of the colour there, and I'm going to do the same with the Moon Glow. Just going to blob it down like that. Then I'm going to use my large brush, and my large brush is soaking wet, and I'm just going to pull. I want it really wet, so I'm going to pull. And I'm going to leave that to dry. Then I'll do another one beside it. That's the Moon Glow. Then I'll use the Carmine. There we go. Then I'll go in with my really wet large brush and just pull it up. So this one, I think I would quite like to add a little bit more colour down at the base. So I'll just do that again because it didn't really give us much colour in the pool. Go back in with a smaller one down here. And I'm going to pull up that colour. I'm going to dip back into Carmine to give it a bit more colour. So I'm going to use a smaller brush to pull this one up. I'll go back in. So you can have a play around with the colours, see how intense you want it or how translucent you want them. I mean, our first one was the most intense, and we're becoming a wee bit more translucent as we go down. So there is a fair bit of intense colour, and then I'll pull it up. Okay, and if I want a touch more colour, I can just dab in colour, mostly towards the base. Now, if your flowers are still wet or go back into the darker colour that you got, just take the tip of your brush and pull down a little stem for each of them. I'm going to put a wee bit more dark, intense colour around the base of all of them. If you wanted, you could just draw in very loose leaves. See if I put this up to the camera and you see how gorgeous they are. Look at that one. Look at all the textures and colours going on, and they're so free and loose. It's just a lovely little project for having fun with your watercolours. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video. I would say playing around with watercolour is one of the best ways of getting to know it, getting to understand how it works. And when you do work like this, it's just good fun. You can't really make any mistakes, and there's a lot of learning from it. So enjoy, and let me know in the comments how you got on. Bye.